In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a WordPress theme on Hostinger. This process is simple and should take you no more than 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in and get your website looking just the way you envisioned it. To start, you'll first need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, from updating your site's content to installing new themes. Make sure your login credentials are at hand because you'll need them to access your dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left side of your dashboard. Here, you'll find various options. Locate and click on the option labeled Appearance. This section is crucial as it allows you to change the visual design of your site, enhancing both aesthetic appeal and user experience. After clicking Appearance, you'll see a set of options unfold. What you're looking for is the Themes page, so go ahead and click on Themes. This will take you to a screen displaying all the themes currently available on your site. Some might already be installed, while others are readily available for activation. Next, you'll want to click the Add New button, usually found at the top or slightly to the side of the page. This will allow you to explore more themes beyond those currently installed on your site. There are a plethora of themes available, catering to various styles and needs. Whether you're looking for something sleek and modern or something more classic, there's a theme out there for you. When you click Add New, you'll be presented with the option to browse or search for the theme you want. Feel free to explore the different categories or use the search bar for something specific. It's worth taking a moment here to consider the overall look and feel you want your site to convey. Remember, the right theme can significantly impact your visitors' perception and interaction with your site. Once you've found the perfect theme, all you have to do is click Install. This process is automatic and should only take a few moments. After installation is complete, there's just one more step to bring your new look to life. Click Activate. Activating the theme will apply it to your website, making it visible to all your visitors. Finally, with the theme activated, take some time to customize it. Personalize it to align with your brand by adjusting colors, fonts, and other layout options. This step allows you to put your unique stamp on the theme, ensuring your website truly reflects your vision. To wrap things up, check your website to see the new theme live. Navigate around to ensure everything is looking as expected and functioning smoothly. And there you have it. Your website should now boast a fresh, new appearance. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you effortlessly give your site the makeover it deserves. Keep watching for more tips and tricks to enhance your web experience.